Hello, this is a demonstration of the Passive Profits Pro Page Builder. This is the Pro version of the system, and you can purchase that from this page with some special bonuses. But let me show you first how it works. I'm going to log into my account. You have to make your purchase. You'll get an email with your username and password. And you'll see there are a bunch of different products in here that you can build. I'm going to go over here to Products, and you can see uh, install themes. You can see a list of all the different products we have. There's a few now, but there are going to be a lot more in a very short period that we're loading up new sites. They're beautiful sites. What I'm going to install for you, let's just install this first site here. Okay, you have to load up your server by going into Manage FTP. We have all the training available, but it's very easy to do. And I'm going to install this on Get Acne Solved. And click Install. Now it's going to take a few minutes for it to run, and within our training it will show you how to set up your server, and it's very simple to do. This works on our proprietary hosting platform, and we have the training on how to finish monetizing the site and everything like that. So you can see it has completed the install right there. So we use this domain called Get Acne Solved, and we're just going to click on that now. And I'm actually going to lower it down so you can see the domain name. I meant to do this earlier. You can see it's a beautiful site. You'll have to go into the system and set up the monetization. Now, in our training, you'll see where it says training right here. You'll get an account set up for Passive Profit Pages. You'll get the Pro version in there. There will be training on how to actually install the sites. It's very simple to do. You just add your FTP information. We take you step by step through it. Very, very simple to do. You pick out which site you want to build, and you get 5 sites for your purchase, and then you can buy additional sites for $9 a piece if you want to build more. And you'll get some bonus training in there. We have custom traffic generation software included in every website you install. They're all blog based, and you'll get that custom traffic training and all that within the members area. You will also get a bonus training on how to flip these sites, and this is the exciting thing. You can build these sites for a very small amount of money, and you can actually go to Flippa and sell them for anywhere from $99 to $399, depending on the niche, your domain name. If you want to monetize them for a little while, make some money, fine. If you're just looking to flip them fast, fine. This is a great builder. It works really quick. Imagine having a site like this. You'll just log into it, and it'll put banners all over the website for you. It's very simple to do that. Our training takes you step by step through the whole process. You want to take advantage of this, it's $197. There's a link below that will take you to the sales page, and you can sign up and start the process of actually building these sites, and then you'll be able to sell them. You'll be able to use them however you want to do. It makes building beautiful blogs amazing. We'll probably have, I don't know, 40 or 50 blogs that you can install. You saw how quickly I did it. It's not a hard process. We teach you how to get the hosting through our service and what information you need from the hosting. It's very, very simple. We're excited to offer Profits Page Pro